Top Metro FM.
Welcome to Ask a Man. 24 minutes after 10 o'clock, the Naked DJ is here. We also have Anonymous on the line. Anonymous, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm not alive, but I'm getting there.
You're not alive?
Yes, fishing enough.
Well. Let's get into our house rules, Anonymous. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Please refrain from using any swear words or profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to kindly extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yeah, boo.
Let's hear you out.
Yo, okay, first thing first. Hello, DJ Naked. Hi, some Gaga.
Good morning.
Morning, so easy is it here?
Okay, listen. That's what happened, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We started being friends for 2 years. For 2 years, dating. One person was one for 2 years, nah? And then after 2 years, we started dating. He gave me a chance, and then we're dating. And then, unfortunately, she became pregnant.
By who?
By me.
Okay.
I think it was after 8 months dating. And then we decided, you know what, we need a baby now. And then, okay. How? He decided after a week or so, or 2 or 3 weeks, he was like, I'm going to do abortion. I was like, what the fuck, bro?
No, Anonymous, I just had the house rules for you. Please do not swear. South Africa, we do apologize for that. Please continue, Anonymous.
Okay, abortion. I was like, okay. Before abortion, I was like, I told everyone at home, meet, guys, meet. We went to the doctor, and then the doctor, he was like, okay, meet. He was like, you know what? I'm not okay with that pregnant. I was like, why? Do you know my conditions? I've got what do you call this thing?
My goodness.
So something like that, like like I got but because of me,
okay.
Yeah, okay. Enye into ebalekile singena sonke isonto mina naye umama umgana kamama nje like everything nje it was like okay like decide kwenza abortion mama akazi by the way kwazi basekhaya kuphela ukuthi ugele wenza abortion.
Come back to English.
Okay, the girl did abortion but the mother doesn't know about the abortion.
Yeah.
My parents, they know everything. Okay, girl did the abortion and this and that.
Okay.
But my mother was like, he told the lady, please not do the abortion. The girl was like, you know what, no, I'm going to do this. Mind you, at home, we don't have any baby. We've got only one baby. Okay, I've got 3 siblings. I'm number 4. Then we have only one baby at home. And then my mother begged. The girl was like, you know what, no, I'm going to terminate the child. And then at the end of the day, Kelly decided to terminate the child. And then we sit down. I was like, you know what, let me give her another chance. Because of me, I was done with that girl. I was like, you know what, I'm going to move on. But at the end of the day, I cannot move on because of like, I'm feeling like she's the one for me, forever us.
Okay. I want to ask a question before you go any further, right? Because you mentioned that she had this condition. Now, as a person that really loved her, what did you do to make sure that you understood the condition better? Like, how did you empower yourself? How did you educate yourself about her condition?
Okay, what I did is I had to sit myself down. Like, if I let her keep the baby, he was like, he's going to be crazy at the end of the day. If the baby cries,
I think you misunderstood me. Like, did you do research on her condition? Did you get professional advice as far as her condition was concerned?
No, I did not.
Okay, yeah. Okay, carry on.
Yeah, and then, we've got similar tattoos, Mina and I. That's why, like, me and was Pumaguya before it's you.
Did you guys get the tattoos together?
Yeah, we have, okay. I've got these initials.
Wait,
Initials.
wait,
How?
Anonymous, wait. You've got her initial and she's got your initials as well.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, and then, but for now, okay, this week, she called me early in the morning, yeah? She was like, bruh, I'm hungry, can you organize me something to eat? And then I was like, okay, it's fine, I can do that. I'm a ball driver, by the way.
Okay,
And
wait.
then,
Wait, Anonymous, can we stop there by you being a Bolt driver, now? An e-hailer.
Okay.
Let's go to the news. We're coming back now. Don't go anywhere. Don't drop the line.
Right.
Okay, sharp. Simpiri has got the news headlines. It's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. Simpiri, thank you very much. We've got Anonymous on the line. If you're joining us right now, Anonymous says he persuaded his current partner of about 2 years before they eventually started dating, right? Pursued her. Now, their relationship was going well and she fell pregnant after they had agreed to have a baby together. His partner ended up aborting the baby, basically worried about how it would act or affect rather her mental health as she was suffering from a mental condition. This is according to Anonymous, trying to describe the condition but not confirmed. And this is basically frustrating Anonymous. So Anonymous, you are letting us know that you are an e-hailing driver?
Yes, I am a ball driver, by the way.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, one thing for sure. Okay, I'm a ball driver. One thing I want to know is, what shall I do next? Because on the weekend, she asked me, can you get me something to eat on Saturday? Yeah? Okay, because I'm a ball driver, I need to hustle first before I go to his place.
I says willing to your driver, driver.
What happened is I went there. Okay, no fear any mupula. I'm in a love bite.
Ah, wow. Okay.
And then actually love bite with last week. Like the love bite, it's just a pink, it's fresh. It was yesterday or day before. And then, but now I'm confused. What shall I do? Shall I stay? Shall I walk? But like one thing about this thing, it's the mother of the girl, like unthanda go ya go ile, like unrata tshwana ngwana hae. I would say that. And then I don't know which ngiphume ngizodimaza mama kagele. I don't know. Now I'm confused. What shall I do?
So you don't want to hurt her mother. So you would stay in that relationship while she's getting love bites left, right, and center.
Yeah, that's the thing. And then everyone at home, they warn me about the girl. Even at the church, okay, we are going on the same church.
Same church, same tattoos,
same church,
everything.
Yes.
You guys,
Yes.
Yongi inte hamba ngolain. Except for she's got love bites and then we're now utrai. So in the 2 years that before you guys started dating, because you were chasing her for 2 years, right? Who was she seeing in those 2 years?
She was seeing this other guy, and then they broke up, and then
and it was one guy. Are you sure it was one guy? Like, were you guys friends where she would tell you, I'm snacking this one, I'm snacking that one? Or did you just notice her from a distance in church, as you said, etc., etc.?
It was love at first sight at church. I even have, no Sunday night at the time, but I had eating Sunday night because I saw the girl.
You even changed religions for her. Yo, I went.
My man, driver.
Hey. Okay. So she dated a couple of guys while you chased her. And then when you were dating, are you sure she wasn't seeing anybody else?
Yes, 100% sure.
Okay. Now, you get her food.
Yes.
Because she says she's hungry. Because clearly she had a hectic workout that weekend.
Yeah, bruh.
And then when, as Isli Masak, her fool, you come and you bring her food. And on a silver platter, you're welcomed by this fresh love bite. So how
Exactly.
do you see the love bite?
Okay, she was standing on the door, ne?
On the door, yes.
My brother.
Yeah, she opened the door, was like, hi Nana, how are you? I'm alive, how are you? I'm good.
Okay.
Here's your food. And then I was like, no matter into ziyafana. Le into zabelungu lezi bamkhothile.
Wait.
No, it's fine. She's been licked. Bam Kotile. How?
I don't understand. I don't speak Zulu.
All right, again. And then what do you say to her when you realize, hey, ban, here's a fresh love bite? And how can you tell like a fresh love bite from a stale love bite? From a love bite, Yamaobane, or a love bite from the day before yesterday? Are you trained in like forensic kind of things?
Not exactly. Love bite into Zam. I know how to keep a love bite.
Okay. Okay,
love you,
so you see,
Anonymous.
okay, Anonymous. What do you ask her when you see the fresh love bite?
Like I've asked her, like what's wrong with the love bite? He was like, where? I was like, on the neck there's a love bite, and this one it's a fresh love bite.
And what does
He
she
was
say?
like, she was like, oh, there's nothing. You know what you see is what you get. I was like, wait, jeez.
She said, what you see is what you get.
Yes.
Interesting. And then your answer to that?
I just left and I was like, on my way, I was like, no, I need to go back and then have answers. And then I went back again. I was like, what's wrong with us? There's tension between us. He was like, you know what? I think this is over. It was over by the time I was doing my abortion. Then this was over then. So the abortion, he did it, abortion February. Yeah?
Okay.
On March, March, he said we must take a break. He did not say you must break up. He said you must take a break. Mind you, on April, it was on my birthday. I was supposed to have weekend away.
Okay.
She said, you know what, let's take a break. I was like, break? Next month it's my birthday. There's breaks. And then I almost do everything for girl. Like, girl would say jump, I would say how high. The mother of girl would say jump, I would say how high. Jay. Now I don't know what shall I do. I must go back, but because of this love bite, it means there's someone on the space.
My brother, she said to you, what you see is what you get. And she said that in a disrespectful kind of way, right?
Yes.
So I don't know why we're having this conversation. Yeah, but you can love a person that doesn't love you and disrespect you. And come on, dude, as Umjit, I mean, I have my pride.
Okay.
Like, so how many love bites do you want to deal with? Now you're even afraid to kiss her because, hey, you don't know if she was on the microphone, you know, before you get there. So ilamzu yalshay, but yena bekashaya ezinye izinto. Like, come on, you can't put yourself in that situation, or you don't mind.
I do mind my pride, yo.
My question is, why would she ask you out of everybody else for food? Like, why not the guy that gave her the love bite?
That's a good question. It's a wrong person, Naked.
Give me the right person. Do you want us to phone her?
I wish we could phone her, but some 70 million I penduled.
Okay, yeah. You know, Kuzo, my thing is, for me, the love bite, the fresh love bite,
A pink.
a pink, and then you also disrespected me by, it's like ukufaka ku half clutch. You should know that because you're a driver, you know. Because now she's making you hopeful that she's gonna take you back when she's like, "Hey, please bring me something to eat," and then when you get there thinking you're gonna get yourself something to eat too. Gandhi, when you get there, when your plate has been eaten already. Organjan Kutso. When plate lakho baliqedile. Liqedziwe mnaka.
There's nothing left.
Nothing left on your plate. When akumele udleni?
Okay, can I ask you this? Because of Nana, you've got similar tattoos. Do you think I should recover up there?
Yes.
You don't have similar tattoos. She has your initials and so they are not similar. It's just nje.
I say get a cover up.
Unless you want the reminder,
Yes.
hey, you had a good 2 years. Or how long did you guys date?
We dated for 11 months.
And then what happens if she takes you back next year?
I'm
And then now
not going back.
you've done the cover up.
I'm not going back.
What are her initials?
KP.
My initials.
Just put a MG at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you? Okay.
And yonke is over right. As
And then what about the mother? Shall I confront the mother? Okay, the mother can see.
Are you having sex with the mother?
No.
Thank you. Madala, when we break up with our partners, we break up with the whole family. How are you going to be friends with the mother after you've broken up with the daughter? Like you tell us. How is that going to work?
Because of the mother, I'm the
Well, look, if you still want to be the mother's child, you still can be. Then you wait for the mother to dump you when she feels it's an awkward situation. And the thing is, how do you consider the mom like your mom as well, as your mother too?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, you respect her, you go to the same church. It doesn't mean hori the relationship you don't break up nabanta batala. But there'll be a certain point where maybe she gets a new mkwenyana and then maybe she'll tell you hori this is awkward.
Okay.
But you cross that bridge when you get there. And as a grown, mature person, you know Gucci, these things happen and it's fine.
But I think even the age gap between me and the girl, I'm 31, the girl is 22.
What about the age gap?
Experience.
And how is that any of your business? What she wants to do?
I'm getting down.
Exactly. She's already doing what she wants to do. My brother, you said you're not even in your 30s yet.
81.
Yeah, well, it's fine. You're still young. Do you, bro? Do you, bro? And you'll get somebody that is into you. Because this one...
I was not interested by the time in daytime.
I was about to say, how are you an e-hailing person on anabantu? Because you're the e-hailing brothers. Where now you are hungry and then izinto ziyakubhedela endlini. And trust me, this is not going to be great for your mental health as well, okay? If you stay in this relationship. And you also don't know how to deal with a person that is going through, the person with that disorder, as you said. Because you don't know, nobody sat you down and explained to you how she thinks, how she operates. And in fact, because you don't know how to handle that person, I also think you're not good for her. Because you never empowered yourself enough to know how you should be in a relationship with a person like this. You're not good. You're not good for her either. Yeah, you're way out of your league as far as this relationship is concerned, and it's gonna break you, bro. From love bite, what next? And then one day you'll find out that the termination that she had was not even your child.
Hi.
Well, I'm giving you all these different scenarios, my brother, Because remember, when you're in a relationship, when you're in the love game, you have to think. Because if you don't think, somebody's going to play you. Somebody's going to think for you and play you.
naked before dating this girl, I was a player. Like, and then I've met this girl, and then I decided, you know what? I don't want to be a player. I want to be a good boy.
Nobody said you need to continue being a player going forth. You were a player during the transfer window. She bought you, but then instead of playing on her team, she put you on the bench and she put on real strikers. Abantu abakorayo. Ufaka bo Dembele. Wena bakubeke ebenchini.
I'd rather change the team than be a benching.
Achi, anonymous man. Oh. No.
Uzoba right. You're going to be okay, my man, you know? You have a lot of love to give, and we hope you give it to somebody that gives it back to you. And you deserve it. You don't need to be a player going forward. Because sometimes you think you're a player, Gandhi, you're playing yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Work on yourself. Let's get back to your trips, my brother. Imali, hey, you haven't made money in the last 40 minutes.
And then my owner's listening to this. Trust me. Your phone owner. Your phone.
Oh, I thought how Gandhi. I thought le moto yakho.
Imoto yasekhaya. My sister owner yam.
And then
Metro FM. Cheers.
And what does your sister say when she knows that you're being played?
Yeah. Not once, not twice, not 3 times. In fact, which is something bizarre, slim.
She called you slim.
Yeah.
Nah, that hurts.
No, that's not nice.
But it's okay. We've all been a fool for love. I've been a fool for love, Anonymous.
Nam.
No Kuzo has been a fool for love. No Simpiwe has been a fool for love.
No Tembani.
Sonke. Especially Amachita.
Do not forget no song is now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, he's told us many times, yeah.
Sonke, Anonymous. Especially because women are better at cheating than men. You know that, no?
Serious.
Kuzo will tell you.
It's true, Anonymous.
It's true.
It's very true.
Tina Ngisho, when we cheat, we like to talk. Hey. Why do you think uSimpiwe is doing his indaba? Because uthanda indaba.
You?
Nami ngithanda ukumlalela uSimpiwe. Sithanda indaba. Amajita, we talk too much. Women, they eat and then basula umlomo. So for your sister to tell you that, hey, uyislima, it's because she knows.
My sister's my best friend. We share everything. Right?
Exactly. Your best friend told you that you should leave this relationship. Listen to your best friend. Okay.
Hi. There's a song saying Balega Nyawo Zombie. I'll run.
Utini?
There's a song, Balega Nyawo Zombie. I'll run.
Balega. Who sings that song?
I think there's this lady. King Mshaba.
Oh, it's a gospel song, no?
Yes. Yo.
No, Balega Matal.
No, I'll Balega even the family. Like I'll stop going there. Then I'll keep my distance.
Don't even run away, ngenyawo zombili. Get in your car and drive away. That's how fast you need to leave this relationship. I'll even request now for when I go to Baleg. Request.
Please.
Yeah. Now you're gonna be okay, Anonymous. We've all been there, okay? And then look at us today. We are happy, Gumnandi, because we found people that love us back, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Anonymous, we're going to leave it here, né? I'm sure now you've got a nice request there. We're just requesting you to please kindly continue listening to the radio now for more advice.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Anonymous. Thank you so much. South Africa, what advice do you have for Anonymous? That number to dial 086,000 2160 and your voice.
Hi, good. How are you?
Good, thanks to you, Papa.
Hola, naked.
Morning.
You should have asked him when he said he was 100% sure with your girl uvuka naye ekuseni apholte naye the whole day. Because by the looks of things, even the baby wasn't his.
Ish, don't say that, my
Ish,
brother.
guys.
We asked
It was,
earlier.
you wouldn't terminate a baby that your guy wants.
Ish, yeah.
Akabaleke ngazo zombi ngawumdlalele yona i-favorite track yakhe ngawumdlalele yona abaleke ngazo zombi.
Yeah, no, he must run, definitely. Thank you so much, my brother.
Thanks my guy.
Thank you very much. Taking another call from Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning, how are you?
Good on you, Anonymous.
Good. Just my 2 cents advice here. I'm also going through my own mental issues. I'm taking medication for bipolar and depression. All I want to say to Anonymous is we can be manipulative at times. I feel like the girl has manipulated the guy for the longest of time. The abortion had nothing to do with mental issues. She just wanted a way out. She was not in love with the guy, I believe, or I'd like to believe. The guy must just move on and never return to the lady, just for his own sanity.
Okay. Thank you so much.
We
Man.
appreciate the call and advice, Anonymous. Truly, thank you very much. Let's hear your voice note, 060-552-7303.
Another loss to us, Matsuda. How can this guy accusing people of mental disturbance when he's the one sound like he cannot get his ish together? This guy doesn't make sense with anything that he just said. I think he just needs to grow and forget about dating and stuff. He's not ready for that. He needs some growth.
Good morning, Metro family. Good morning, Kuts.
Good morning.
Naked. My advice to Anonymous. Anonymous, Pejam. You sound more matured, and there's more ladies out there facing the vampire. The ones that are not vampires out there. So run with your 2 feet and find someone who will be good enough for you, boy. Just do what's best for you. Sharp.
Morning, team. No, man. Anonymous. The time they say you must bring food. The girl, she wanted you to see by yourself, but decided not to. My bro, Baleka.
Thank you so much for your voice notes coming through this morning. And of course, we can still continue to do the same every single day, sending through your voice notes, 060-552-7303. Naked, in closing, anything that you'd like to say?
But Kutsa, where love isn't served, just move on. Because now you're going to put yourself through mental instability, etc., unhappiness, depression. And don't block your blessings by staying in that relationship where you're not wanted. My brother, everyone, even please listen to all the, you're going to listen to the podcast again. Everybody's saying run away. This woman is not good for you. She's way over you. And yeah, you're only hurting yourself by staying there.
Okay. Thank you, Naked. Appreciate it.